What's going on, everybody? It's Nico Moreno here, and I'm super excited to show you this video on how I have been making thousands of dollars per month using algorithmic trading. Okay, so more people need to know about this, really. So let's just dive right into the video. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you one of my algorithmic trading bots, and I'm going to be showing you, what it looks like, what overall it's doing, like what is the algorithm bot actually doing, and kind of a snapshot of the results. Okay, so let's just dive right in. So first thing, I want to provide a little bit of context. So if you're brand new to forex trading, or maybe you don't even know what the heck it is, you wouldn't even consider yourself new, you're just kind of curious. I was in your shoes not too long ago. Okay, so I think the thing that always held me back from getting into trading is the complexity that comes with trading. Like, look at all these candlesticks and lines and graphs, and there's different time frames, that you can trade on. Like, this is a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. How do you know when to enter? How do you know when to exit? But it can be extremely overwhelming, and I think that's why a lot of people fail with trading, and that was why I failed with other types of trading as well, like futures and stocks. I just really never got anywhere with them because it's just hard. Honestly, it's very hard. So the cool thing about algorithmic trading and what it actually is, and again, I'll show you on the screen in just a second, but it is actually leveraging algorithms that follow a specific set of rules. And these algorithms actually place and manage and close all the trades for you. So it is truly automated. I think a lot of people know this already as forex bots or trading bots, right? There's different types of trading bots. It's not specific to forex. There are, crypto bots, which is something I've actually used before. There's all different kinds, right? And what these bots really are is they are actually algorithms. So let me hop into my screen right here, and I am using a VPS. So what we have on the screen here is this is one of my trading bots, and this one I am calling, let's go back to here. I'm calling the Aussie Canadian bot because it only trades, get out of this, it only trades the currency pair, like Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, okay? So this is actually something that I've recently, I've set this one up about 3 days ago. I've been researching into this bot for quite a while, and it's been running for about 2 years, not on my account, but the bot itself has been running for about 2 years. And so it has very strong results between about 14% up to like 30% a month. So that's really incredible. And it's been, like I said, it's been doing that for about 2 years. So I felt good about testing this one. And of course, there's a lot of other things that I researched and looked into. So if you come across bots online or anything like that, I would not in any way, shape, or form advise you to jump right in without knowing some things that you should look for. And you should do your research, and you should, there are certain metrics that you definitely want to look for before taking the leap into using them. And while many of them are legitimate, many of them are not legitimate. So that's why you need to be really careful. But I've done research on this one specifically, and so that is why I went ahead and move forward with it. So you'll see right here, I actually started this on June 11th. I started this account on June 11th. It's a $10,000 account, and it's already made $354 in profit, which is up 3% already this month. And again, historically, this one has been doing anywhere from I think it was 14, maybe between 10 and 30%, but I think it was mostly higher, really close to 20% on the low end, and then up to 30% on the high end every month. So far, it's looking great. It's looking pretty consistent with what I kind of expected. Closed $335 today. Not too much the first 2 days, but yeah, that's the thing with trading and with bots. Not every day is the same, right? I think a lot of people have this expectation that you're going to be making the exact same amount of money every day. And by the way, I want to say this very explicitly. If you hear of a system or any sort of trading system, whether it's crypto, whether it's forex, whether it's anything, and someone promises like you're going to make this exact amount of this exact dollar amount per day or per week, like that is definitely a scam, because that's just not how the market works. There's always price fluctuations going up and down. There are, sometimes there's news events that happen that affect a certain currency pair, but not others. And so everything is always going to fluctuate every single day. You will not be making the exact same dollar amount every day or every week or every month. So just be very careful if somebody tells you that, or if you hear that, run in the other direction, because they are definitely lying. Anyways, yeah, so this is kind of like what the bot looks like overall. You'll see these are currently open trades. So you'll see right here, a lot of these are like little small like negative amounts. And that's why they haven't closed. Basically, the bot will wait until the price of the trade generally is in profit, and then it'll close it, right? So not every trade is going to be in profit. So far, this bot I think has about a 70-30 win rate, which is pretty good. It's pretty average, like 70% winning trades, 30% losing trades. But overall, like what matters is not so much that. What matters is the actual like the growth percentage per month, right? Because you can have plenty of losing trades, but if they are canceled out by bigger and more frequent, winning trades, then that's part of the overall strategy. You will never find a strategy or a bot that will win 100% of the trades. It's just not possible. And that is another thing, if anybody ever tells you that, just run in the other direction, because it's impossible and it's not true. So what I can do is I can show you some of the history here though. So you'll see right here, it's recently just closed actually quite a lot of trades in profit. So the blue numbers are all the profit trades. So yeah, if you ever look at the history tab on your trading terminal, you'll see right here, we got $31, $9, $8, $23, $23, $23, 67, 72, 72. So these are all trades that are closed, I think, today, because today was the day where, the bot had been running for about 3 days. And so the brand new trades that started on the first day, haven't had time to close yet. So yeah, total profit for the account has been 401, but right here you'll see it says 379. That's because there have, of course, been some smaller losing trades, which again, it's okay. That's the part of the strategy and part of the bot. You will have some of those losing trades. So anyways, basically, what else do I want to say here? Yeah, so that's kind of like an overview and like the gist of what trading bots are. And if I can get out of this and get back to Loom, what I also want to say is that I am, a few people have been asking, and I am launching a beta program like really, really soon. I would say probably, if there's interest, probably within the next week. So comment down below if you'd be interested in learning more about, utilizing these bots and essentially cloning these bots onto your accounts as well. Then yeah, I want to create like it's going to be a paid program, but I want to create like a small group of like beta members who would like to do this and who would like to leverage these automated bots for yourselves too. So again, this is going to be I think something that I'm going to be really passionate and excited about sharing for multiple years to come. But yeah, if that excites you, comment down below with just say the word beta, and I'll put some more information down below, and I'll reach out to you if you do comment that, and I'll get you more information. So again, that's just it's in the works right now, but I have been thinking about it a little bit because I've been telling people about this, offline outside of YouTube, and a lot of people have been really enthusiastic and wanting to jump into doing this too. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. And again, if you haven't seen the previous video, we'll put it somewhere up here. So go ahead and check that out. Comment down below with any questions, and also type the word beta down below if you do want to learn more about becoming a beta subscriber to some of these bots.